What's up? My name is Ken Dumbo, the MC with the sauce. Don't forget to subscribe to J. Cool.
The way my house is flooded, I hope Lake Kariba is full.
Ayo ponianga na driver ayo ka ukwera mu drainage ona moya ndera manzi chamwera chimotoka ona chi exhaust kamwera hapo
Vamene vaenda problem ni kwenda kubabwera against the registration drive.
What kind of a government is this? The government that is not listen to the people. You can see that all the household is gone. All the household is gone. Now,
Kakusamono kuyumpa kaba muline Kakupopo kama chiki kaba muline Kapostine pia kaba muline Pona pacha kakupala kaba muline
Chipata Primary School grounds will temporarily be home to some families from flood-prone Kabanana West of Mandevu constituency. The government has commenced erecting tents to provide shelter for families whose homes were severely affected by the flooding.
Surrounding yanu in clean because my one mvula mamene yalokera so. What is the next thing?
And Lusaka City Council Assistant Director for Engineering Operations Innocent Kasembe revealed that partial assessments of the drainage system have been conducted. He also confirmed that the demolition of structures built atop drainage channels will proceed in due course.
According to Public Building Act, the permit should be issued before to put up any structure. However, what we have seen is that there has been a lot of infrastructure which has been built, and the variable drain has been narrowed. The drain has been constricted, and that has reduced the waterfall capacity.
Meanwhile, flood victims have expressed gratitude to the government for its response.
So abatu alebe talionse fie iseni kuno mumone mpaka batuma abantu n'abantu napesa abantu n'abantu abakwisa mukokopa badainamo banshi bonse nabesa mukuchita shani mukulolesha kuwafya tukwete obwamenshi ekirelo kyasangiko okutila bamayo mpaka bayingila po bebede awe abana nga balerila kyawamisha okuti twachita shani.
While temporary shelter has been provided, residents have been urged to safeguard the relief items as government explores permanent relocation options and compensation for those whose homes have been rendered inhabitable. Elfimwale Shampande, Diamond News.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change, possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quite so thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic with this logic, you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic. I'm built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah. I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic, keep them out your face, no way, you don't want them, yeah.